Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know I am so late when uploading this, but it is a good thing because if you are in a last minute hurry and you need a costume for tomorrow, which is Halloween, this is the video for you because I have a last minute perfect costume idea which goes with this year's, I guess, terminology, like the new terms that people are using. For this look, you're gonna need a few things. You're going to need a white t-shirt. You're going to need some felt. I bought individual squares just to make it easier, but if you buy a long, big piece of felt, that works too. You're going to need to buy some letter stencils. They do come in a whole pack, so you do get the whole alphabet. I will link everything that I purchased below. You're also going to need some newspaper, if you can find that around you, which hopefully you can. And you're going to need some special felt and foam glue, which this might be the hardest thing to find. And you're going to need some twine to lace everything together. And you're also going to need some kind of pen or marker to outline the letters. So today, the Halloween costume that we are creating is dun, 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 fake news. One of the biggest terms that I've heard this year, spill the tea, fake news. So I figured, how cool would it be to make a realistic version of the word fake news? So in order to do that, we're going to make a fake news skirt, which with the twine and the newspaper, and a t-shirt that says fake. So let's jump into the video. So first, going to start off with a t-shirt so that everything can dry. So you're going to take your t-shirt, plain white t-shirt. I'm going to spread it out across my tabletop. And then we're going to grab our stencils. Obviously, you're going to need the letters F, A, K, E. You're now going to take your first letter, which for me is F, and you're going to grab one of your felt pieces. I'm going to take the black, and you're going to position that on top. I just find these smaller pieces to be easier because this just fits perfectly. Then you're going to outline with your marker, pen, pencil the letter. So you can't really see it because it's black, but I did outline it with a pen. You're also going to need some scissors. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video. You're going to need some scissors to cut it out. So now cut out your letter that you just outlined. Okay, so that's my F. It came out a little funky, but this is my F. So now we're going to take our glue and we're gonna put glue on the side that you can still see some of the writing on, just so it's perfect. Okay, now you're gonna position your F on your t-shirt and push it down. Now we're gonna do our A. Again, just outline your letter and then cut your letter out. Do your K, now do your E, and there you have it. We have our shirt that says fake. I chose these colors because I wanted it to be more fall. So, wow, that's so cool. So we have our shirt that is now done. So now we're gonna jump on to the skirt. Skirt part, I did forget to mention you will need a 1 punch hole stapler. Is it a stapler? I don't know. But a 1 hole puncher thingy-mabobber. And you're gonna get your newspaper and your twill. So I already started mine just because I wanted to figure out how I wanted to do it. So mine is already partly on a string. It doesn't look like anything yet, but I'm going to show you how I did this process. You're gonna take your first piece of newspaper. My newspaper is out more like it's folded already. So what you wanna do is you wanna take the first angle and you want to fold inward like that once you fold it halfway into the paper. And you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Take the corner and fold it inward, so it's going to look like a triangle. to fold it in half so the corners match. You firmly make the creases. You're now going to take the new triangle you made and your hole puncher, and you're going to punch a top into where the triangle is, a little further down because you don't want it to be too close to the top and rip. And then you're going to take your twill and you're going to now push the twill through the hole you just created. And there you go. So I'm going to repeat this process many times to make a full skirt. We have the, I believe he's the original person who came up with the whole fake news thing. So we definitely need to put him in this skirt. So I'm going to definitely do that. We're going to follow the same process. Fold the corner in, make a harsh crease like that. Same thing on the other side. So you have now a triangle, and then you're going to bend it inward. Now take your hole puncher and punch the top of the triangle. Again, a little further of the way down. Cannot find the hole. Alright, maybe about there is good. And then add it to your stringed in. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I have black pants on underneath so that, you know, my butt's not sticking out. And I'm ready for Halloween. So thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and I hope that you had fun watching this, and if you do create it, you have fun creating it. It actually wasn't as difficult as it seemed to be. Like when I was looking at the picture, I was like, this is going to be hard, but it actually was pretty easy and it was a lot of fun to create, and I actually love how original this idea is. And yeah, so be fake news. As always guys, please keep tuned for more videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscription button as well as the bell icon to be updated every time I upload. And as always, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.